Attempt number 2 without a single help or cue. Oh, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. God is so good and you are so good. You did it. You're swimming. Oh my gosh. You're swimming. You're swimming. I'm so happy for you. Good job. So when you're on your belly, if you're someone who needs to blow your bubbles out because you don't like your face being in the water without blowing bubbles out, you might need to start trying to hold your breath, even if it's just for a couple seconds, if you want to do these buoyancy tests and if you want to remain more buoyant while you swim. She's going to take a deep breath in. Today I'm going to let her keep her arms by her side so that she can watch her legs sink while she also remains floating. So she'll look like this today. One. Good. Bring the arms by the side. You're floating all the way down. I got you. Good. Ooh, no, you're okay. That was an impressive flip to your back. I'm gonna start you and then let you go and then we'll stop it. We'll do the same thing.
Okay.
Okay? Deep breath. Float. I'm gonna start you, you're floating on your own. Now I'll stop you. Good. That's a much better exercise. Yeah. Balance on your belly, which we're gonna go right into, is arms out front, head below the arms, and a deep, strong kick. We're gonna take it one step at a time. First float, arms out front, okay? So put your arms out front, and then you're gonna float over my arms. Once you get to my arms, that's when you stop. Good. The second part to balance on your belly is head below the arms. So she'll do the exact same exercise, but this time when she goes into her float, she's gonna put her head below her arms. Good, head below the arms, and you're there. Good. We're gonna start going the other direction. The third step to balance on the belly is a deep, strong kick. So now you're gonna do the arms out front, head below the arms, and kick. And by the time you get to me, that'll be the conclusion of it. Yep. Deep, strong kick. Good. 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 Did you guys notice how she's doing all the review steps on her own right now? Whereas even yesterday, I was still giving her support. For instructors out there who are super eager to get their students to start doing stuff on their own, don't. Stop being so eager. I helped her and supported her through these 4 Bs for 2 solid days. And by day 3, she's now doing it all on her own. That's a pretty quick turnaround. If you were trying to get your swimmers to start swimming on their own by the 3rd lesson, this is how. You need to support them the first 2 days. You cannot try to get them to learn things on their own. It won't work as effectively. Now let's talk about the 3rd B, bodyline. Bodyline is measured from your fingertips to your tippy toes. The better you swim with your bodyline, the more you stretch it out, the faster you will be in the water. Your bodyline is responsible for speed. So the more you stretch out, the faster you will be. If you try to swim too relaxed, you won't be very fast. But if you stretch that bodyline out, there's a war in your core. Your core continuously engages to stop you from stretching out. Don't let it stop. Keep stretching out so the core stays engaged, okay? So this drill, I'm gonna have her, instead of her arms and superhero all this wide, I want her to try and bring her hands a little closer together so she feels more centered, and then push the fingertips out in front, like this. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Super easy?
Yeah.
Good. So same thing back, and then we'll talk about breathing. Stunning. Good. And nice belly dismounts too. I know that's the easy one. Killing it. Now breathing. We got pop-ups, where you pop up in front of you. We skip that usually in lessons. We go into the pineapples, rolling onto your back for a breath. You're gonna start on your belly, arms out in front, and then pull to roll. The rhyme is how we know it works. Pull to roll, other arm comes down, chin goes straight up. Okay? Good, chin up. Good. Good stand, good stand. Now, no, you're good. You went straight into the dismount because your hips weren't coming up.
Oh.
Right? No, that's okay. Why weren't your hips coming up? Here's why. When you rolled to your back, you did a good job getting your chin up at the cost of also sticking your hands out and not kicking. So it just sunk your body. Now, your chin will stay up because that's all you need to breathe is your lungs full of air. But you stood up because your hips weren't up. Why weren't your hips up? Well, get your hands underwater, start kicking, start paddling, and your hips will rise right back up to the surface, okay?
Right.
Yep, deep breath. Pull to roll, chin up, belly up, kick paddle. There you go. There you go. Now you can dismount. Good job. See how it was a guaranteed success that time? Never had this much space between her and her structure before. I pulled way back to give her more space. Look at the confidence. Look at the confidence. Look at the confidence. You're just too close to the wall. I have to stop. Good job. I've never given you that much space between you and the start. Look at your confidence. Look at your confidence. Look at your confidence, girl. Woo! All right. So it's time to teach her how to roll back to her belly now so that she can go through another cycle if she wants. To roll back to your belly, thankfully, is much easier. All you do is take one of the arms that's down by your side and you go across your body and behind your head. That will land you back in the water, ready to bring the other arm up and then start another pull. You can even treat it as one of the pulls if you want, because that's really what it is. Watch. And then you roll again. And the cycle continues, okay? Now, which side do you want, or which arm do you want to roll to your belly with? It usually comes naturally to you. Pick an arm. There you go. So before you go, take a super deep breath. Now roll. Now stand up. Yeah, that's how water up the nose. So that's why we did it together, because I was afraid of that.
Helpful.
Okay, so before you, when you go, as you take that deep breath, then you're going to release it just slightly, because you don't want to release all your air, because then you're in the water with no air.
Right.
Just enough to get you onto your belly.
Okay.
You want to leave enough in there for you to be able to release as you roll back again. Okay, deep breath and release and roll. Stand up. Any water up the nose?
No.
Good. All right. Let's do it one more time just like that. All righty. So 2 strokes, roll to your back, and then I'm going to coach you through the roll back.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
And then once you do 2 more strokes, you're going to roll to your back again for the second time, which is the 3rd total roll. So it'll look like this. From here, I'm going to coach you through rolling back. You're going to roll again and dismount. Because you're wearing fins, you have to dismount from your back, hence the 2nd roll to your back. Deep breath. Ready, go. Roll to your back. Good. Okay, paddles and kicks. Any water in the nose or mouth, you would clear at this point. If not, you're good. Take a deep breath. Roll back and release. 2 strokes, roll again. Roll again. Good. Now you'll notice that you didn't really have time for 2 strokes because you were running out of air pretty quickly, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's all right. That's the release. So we're going to figure that out. We're going to do it again.
Do it again and again.
Yep. This is the pièce de résistance. This is all of it. Roll. Excellent roll. Chin back for me. Good job. Whenever you're ready, roll back. And roll again. You made it. Oh my. Attempt number 2 without a single help or cue. Yeah. Aw. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. You learned how to swim. I'm so happy for you. God is so good and you are so good. You did it. You're swimming. Oh my gosh. You're swimming. You're swimming. I'm so happy for you. Good job. Found this video helpful, splash that like button, subscribe to the channel for free, or consider becoming a member. Thank you to our members who make it possible for us to do this every month. Check out our merch over on the website and follow us on our other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for shorter clips and tips throughout the week. If you want your own lessons with me in person in Austin, Texas for 4 days, 2 hours each day, then email me right there. With that said, give a thumbs up emoji in the comments for Courtney and get ready to rock it.